In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the pickup location on Doordash for 2025. Whether you are moving to a new area, visiting a different city, or simply want to explore new restaurant options nearby, updating your pickup location on Doordash is a straightforward process. Let's dive right in and walk through the steps together. First, you'll want to open your web browser and head over to the Doordash homepage. You can do this by typing in the URL or simply searching for Doordash in your preferred search engine. Once you're on the homepage, you'll notice there are options for both takeout and delivery services. Since we're focusing on changing the pickup location, you'll want to click on the pickup option. This is usually prominently displayed on the homepage, so it should be easy to spot. Now, once you've clicked on pickup, you'll be taken to a page where you can adjust your pickup location. This is where you can search for restaurants offering pickups in the area you're interested in. You'll likely see a default location, possibly based on your saved preferences or your current IP address location. To change this, look for the option that allows you to alter your location. It might be framed as an input box where you can type your desired location or postcode. Here comes the important part. If you prefer convenience, Doordash offers an arrow icon that serves as an automatic location finder. By clicking on this arrow, Doordash will automatically detect your current location and adjust your settings accordingly. This can be especially useful if you are in a new area and want Doordash to do the work for you. However, if you're aiming for a specific area that's not your current location, you might want to manually input that desired address or zip code. Simply type the location into the relevant field, and Doordash will display a range of options based on your input. It's a great way to customize your Doordash experience, ensuring you can access the best local dining options no matter where you are. Remember, once you have selected your new location, it's a good idea to double check everything before finalizing your changes. Make sure the set location reflects exactly where you want the orders to be picked up. If everything looks good, you're all set to explore the delicious options within your updated area. I hope this step-by-step guide has been helpful. Changing your pickup location on Doordash is simple, and it opens up a world of new restaurants and cuisines to explore. Happy dining, and enjoy your Doordash experience. If you found this tutorial useful, be sure to check out our other videos for more tips and tricks.